Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2021 GMC 1500 Elevation Edition. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, heated cloth power driver's seat, has a heated steering wheel, Bluetooth, XM radio, nicely appointed. With a 5.3 liter paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this four-wheel drive is perfect for the Bow Valley. With ample seating for 3 in the rear passenger compartment, this truck also has the GM heavy-duty molded floor mats, and there's USB ports for the rear passengers. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2021 GMC 1500 Elevation Edition, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.